Assalamu alaikum and a lovely good morning to all of you. I hope you all are feeling super great, amazing, and you must have started your day with gratitude. Have you? Oh, somebody forgot? No problem, no problem. But you are going to make it in your routine that the moment you open your eyes, you have to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? Yeah, train your brain in a way that after like a couple of, you can say hours, or maybe after an hour, or whenever you are going to, however you're going to train your brain, that will be doing the same. So you should be grateful to every single day. So this is again a new and beautiful day, a new present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us to explore, to learn, to love, to do so much in our life for us, for our friends, for our family, and for everybody, right? Yes. And whatever you do it with energy and happily. Yes. Once you will do it with happiness and energy, you are even going to feel good. And when you'll be feeling good, everyone around you will feel amazing and good, right? So be grateful for everything else, subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are so much grateful for whatever you have given to us. We cannot say like that, gratitude is not enough for what we have. Right? Okay, that's lovely. So, enjoying a beautiful day, starting a new day with a smile and gratitude, right? This is our science lecture. And remember, we are learning about seed. We learned about a seed and parts of seed in our lecture last time. And now, yeah, and remember, we put some seeds in the class and with the cotton and the water. Remember? Did you even? I told you to do that. Okay. So are you observing that? Okay, let's see. Now, what is the condition of the seeds which we put in the, yes, in the soil? We do not put in the soil, we put it on the cotton, right? So I am just going to show you this, the picture seed. So we're going to revise that a little and then we will go ahead, right? Okay. So we learned about seed. I showed you the seed which was sleeping at that time, right? Remember? This was a chickpea seed which I showed you. It was sleeping, and this is still sleeping, right? It has got all that inside, which we learned. This is the shape, and this is a normal seed. It looks like a kidney bean. So I have put some kidney beans for you. I have prepared them. So I'm going to show you. We're just going to revise it. This was a seed, right? This was the outer shell, which is the seed coat, which protects the seed up till he's sleeping. Then it has got an embryo in it. It's got the first leaf. Then he wakes up, they start working and they start working. And then this is the food storage. This has to take the food from here first, and then this comes out, right? Remember? So a seed coat that protects the seed, then it's got embryo and the first leaf, and the embryo takes the food from the inside. This is the food story, the yellow part. He takes the food and then he has the power to come out of the seed. Yes, right? Very good. So I'm just going to share a picture with you in which we'll see how this comes out, right? Now, this is the picture, right? Okay, now have a look at this, right? Now, this is the seed, which I have shown you. The first one, this is the inside, and this is the closed seed, right? Now, look at the second picture. When we have put the seed in the soil, the embryo, this embryo this came out by eating the storage food from inside the seed, right? Okay. And then what happened that this embryo grew downwards and this seed, the outer shell of the seed is breaking, right? Now here the outer shell is broken and the roots are growing over here and it's going down, right? Yes, now see, now here comes the cotyledon, right? Here comes this, now the shell is gone, this is the stem, right? And these are the roots, right? Now do you understand? This leaf, when we put it in the soil, this embryo started to grow and the leaf came out by eating the food here, right? Right? So this seed wakes up, right? Now, in the first picture, this is a seed, then embryo comes out by eating the food which is stored in the seed. Then the outer shell has started breaking, right? And there's a stem growing from the seed. And then look at this. The shell is going and cotyledon, which is the inside part of the seed, that comes out right here, cotyledon. This is the cotyledon, right? And from the cotyledon, the first leaf, right? This leaf, the first leaf comes out, right? Now this comes out, the stem, the embryo makes the stem and the root, from the cotyledon, the leaves come out, and then the cotyledon that breaks down and that falls, and from the cotyledon, the new plant grows, right? That makes the shoot, and the embryo makes the root, right? Now, do you see? This is the seed, then the embryo came out, then the outer shell started breaking. When it breaks, the cotyledon is now showing, and then the embryo has started making the stem and the roots, and then cotyledon, from the cotyledon, the leaf, the first leaf comes out, and that goes up, that makes the shoot and the plant upwards. And then this cotyledon falls down because we don't need it anymore. The plant has taken the food, initial food, and then later on, this has to take the food from the soil, right? That's great. So this was it. And this is how the inside, whatever is inside in the seed, that comes out, right? So the embryo makes the root and it's going down, and from the cotyledon, the plant grows, the first leaf comes out, and then that goes upwards, right? So I'm going to show you a little video of germination. It is about germination. I'm going to show you this.
Let's learn the seed germination process. This is how from the seed, the roots grow under the soil and the stem and leaves grow over the ground. The first step is to prepare the soil to put the seeds in. Then put the seeds. This needs sunlight and water for fertilization of the seed. See, the roots are growing under the soil and the stems are growing on the ground. And finally, the leaves and flowers are born with this germination process. And this is how the whole fertile land looks like, under the soil and over the ground.
That's great. So we learned about germination, and they told us that what do we need for the seed to grow, right? So I am just going to show you that as well, right? What do we need for the plants to grow? So I'm just going to show you that, right? Okay, so remember we put the seeds in the water, remember? Yeah, some of them have started sprouting. So I'm just going to show you, and I prepared another one for you. Look at this. I have prepared another one for you, right? So as we did not put this in the soil, what we did is, remember, we put some cotton in it. Then seed needs soil to grow, right? There are certain things seed needs to grow. So we put some of the cotton in it to give them this soil effect, right? Then we put the seeds on it, remember? And then we put a little water, right? Okay, now what you're going to do with it? Are you going to put it in the dark area in your room somewhere? Or you're going to put it in the sunlight? Yes, we are going to put this in the sunlight. Now, seed needs some things to grow, right? They need a soil where they're going to grow, right? They need water, and they need air, and most importantly, sunlight, right? So I'm just going to show you. Yes, just have a look at this. What plants need to grow? So they need nutrients. So from the soil, they get nutrients, because initially the seed takes the food from the inside of the seed, but then later on he has to take in nutrients. So that is the plant is going to get from the soil. Then we're going to put some water in it. That is also the food of plant and seed. Then they need air. They bloom in the air, right? And the sunlight. Okay, so these are the things which plant need to grow, right? Okay, so what I did was I put both of them in the jar, right? First, I put the seed, I put the water in both of them, and I placed it in a sunny place where they can have good sunshine, good light, good air, right? Good environment. So they felt so very happy and they started to grow. Yes, I'm going to show you. Now, this seed was before, when I did not put it in the soil, it was something like this, right? It was something like this, okay? This is the seed, which you can see. It is like this. And now, when he got water and he got sunlight, this started to break, as you saw. Yeah? Now, look at this. Now, embryo has started to come out. See? The embryo has started to come out. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you another seed. Yes, that has even started to come out. I'm going to show you now. Look at this. Can you see this? Yes. This little shoot is coming out. See? Yes. This is the embryo which is coming out. The first leaf has not yet come out, right? So you're going to watch it slowly, right? The seed is now cracking. Now, can you see the outer coat of the leaf is also cracking? I hope you can see this, right? I'm just going to turn it around and observe. Have a look at this. See, the coat of the leaf, the seed is breaking, right? Is it breaking? Yes. And this embryo has already out. The embryo is already out. See, yes. Now we are going to observe it for a couple of more days. I've put it in the sunlight. I'm giving him some water and put it in a place where he feels good, right? Now, after a couple of days, like after maybe 2 days, the cotyledon will come out and the first leaf will even come out. So I'm going to show you again, how does that look like, right? So we are, now you have to do the same, right? What are you going to do is that you are going to put, you take a jar, maybe like this, sorry, a pot, or maybe you can take a jar like this, right? Now, first of all, you can even put the soil, but cotton is easy to observe. You'll be able to see the soil growing, right? You're going to put a little cotton as we did, and then a little of water, and then put some seeds. So the seeds will soak water, right? And then that will start growing, right? It will start working from inside. So we are going to observe it, and we will see your plants as well, right? You can take any seed which grows quickly. You can ask your Mali, as I told you before. You can ask your parents, right? And this grows very quickly. Kidney beans, yeah, these grow very quickly, so you can take them. So we will follow it. We'll be observing it daily, and we will discuss it, and I'll show you this after 2 days, and we will see how this is growing, right? Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to grow your own seed. You have to germinate it. You have to put it in the jar, put some water, and observe it growing, coming out of the seed. The plant, how does a plant come out of the seed? That is so amazing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has systematically made it, how it will take the food and it will start growing. The embryo will go down, and from the cotyledon, the leaf comes out, the first leaf, and the cotyledon will then dry off, it will go off, and that is going to make a plant. And then we have to put some nutrients in the plant for growing as we eat food daily, right? We are going to discuss that as well, okay? So this is our science class today, and we are learning about seed and germination. Now I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and bye-bye.